Hello everyone! Start off by combing the hair. Then take a section off the front and tie a ponytail on either side. Take a small section from either of the sides and join them at the back together. Take another section from either of the ponytails, join it right under the first section. Repeat this process until all of the sections have been used up. Now, take the rest of the hair and leave it free. Add some decorative flowers to it. For our next hairdo, start off by adding some hairspray or hair gel, then comb the hair. Take a section from the front and tie a ponytail with it. Braid the hair. Take another section right beside it and then tie a ponytail with it. Make another section right underneath it and braid the rest of the hair together. Roll the braid upwards and then tie a rubber band. For our next hairdo, diagonally part the hair as such. Add multiple rubber bands on the right side and on the left side make a braid. Roll the braid upwards. Divide the rest of the hair into two parts and then braid the hair. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section off the top. Make two braids out of it. Then take a section from the front. Join it to the braid. Take another section right underneath it and once more join it to the braid. Do this until all of the sections are fulfilled. Make a ponytail at the bottom out of it and join it together. Leave the rest of the hair and add a bow. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section off the top of the hair and make two braids out of it. Right underneath it, take another section of the hair and then make a ponytail out of this. Roll this ponytail in on itself and then add the braid through it. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into two parts and then make multiple ponytails on one of the sides. Divide the upper ponytail into two parts and then wrap it around the lower ponytail. Do this until you reach the bottom of the hair. Loosen the strands of the braids using your fingers. This is what it should look like at the end. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the front. Braid this portion of the hair. Then take another section right underneath it and then join it to the braid. Make a braid at the bottom and then roll it upwards. Use a decorative rubber band once you are done. For our next hairdo, make a section at the front. Then, take a smaller section from that and tie a ponytail out of it. Add multiple rubber bands as such. Take another section from the back and then make a braid out of it. Once you have reached the bottom, lift the braid upwards as such, taking two strands and then add a rubber band to it. Tie a ponytail with the remaining hair. Join them all together. Thank you for watching.